last video we spoke about how to download things, and now I just really quickly want to show you how to upload a C# project. I'm not going to go into all the details about upload it, but I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So once you've done making your changes in Visual Studio, we're gonna so we'll open our we had a single file, so we created the whole project. And now I've got this file with the code in it. So what do I want to do if I just want to upload this file? I only need to upload one file. I right click on the file. I go open containing folder. And then Visual Studio just opens a folder in my file explorer. This is the file. So this is the current version of the file. This is the one I need to do. And I just drag this and click and drag this and upload it into Omnivox. That's if I just need to do one file. If I need to do more of a project, I do the same thing. I'll take my project. I will right click over here and I'll click open folder in file explorer. So now I've got the project and let's say the CS profile. Make sure you've got all the C# files and the CS profile selected. You don't need OBJ folders. You don't need bin folders. You just need the CS files and your project folder over here. And then I right click, compress them all into zip, or if you have an older version of Windows, you might be send to zip. And on Mac, it's going to be slightly different, but it's always going to be some option of send to zip. You go right click, you compress to a zip file. I'm going to have the zip file, whatever it's named, it'll name. Let's say I rename this file assignment01, and I save that. And now you drag this file and drop it onto Omnivox and upload that. If you need to include any information aside from just the code, what you'll do is you'll create a new text document over here. Make sure it's just a text file, call it readme. Open your readme text file and type like, hey, this is some important info for you to know. I'm grading my assignment. And save that. Close that. And then create a new zip file, delete the old one, and we'll create a new one with all the things I need. Basically, you have to upload one file. That file should be either, if it's just code, you do a code file. If it's more than one file of code, you do a zip file. Include everything, all the information you need in that zip file, and then grab it and upload it. Do not just be careful to not use the downloaded stuff, because the downloaded stuff might not be up to date depending on where Visual Studio put the code while you were editing it. That's why you always open Visual Studio, right click on the side over here, right click on one of the files and go open containing folder, and it'll bring you to the right place where this is your most up-to-date code. That is the important bit. Yep. After this video, hopefully everyone will be able to upload their code no problem. But if there's any issues, please let me know.